Welcome back to the video, guys. Today we are going to be working on the project truck, the dream truck if you will. Here she is in all of her glory. Kind of dirty in the back. We still haven't got anything panel wise or anything. Right now we're just more concerned on getting the whole wiring harness out. Not exactly sure how we are going to do that. As for now, I was thinking of just trying to take the ECM out, but again, I also haven't looked at the front of it. There we are. All right, here's the engine, K&N intake. Probably gonna need a new filter there. We'll worry about this later. First we gotta worry about getting all the wiring out. I don't even know where the wiring starts. At one point I had sideways posters to the top. A bunch of wiring right here. Probably gonna be the main fun. My electrical box. There we are. So I got all the fuses intact. All right. Guess let's just continue our journey here. There we go. Here we go. So obviously we got a bunch of wiring running everywhere. You know what? I've been wanting to get these things out. Let's get these going. Probably a 10. So the idea with this truck is, honestly, I just want the frame so I have everything like that. So I just want to keep all the four-wheel drive components, and I just want to make sure that I'm not like I don't have to mess with anything in advance. Why doesn't this go on this? I don't want to mess with anything later on down the road. I don't want to worry about transferring the four-wheel drive and everything over. I just want to don't want to worry about all of that. I just want to worry about switching a cab over and just rewiring it, and I guess I'll be not happy, because like I don't know, I wouldn't be happy with that in a sense, but how is this in here? Ooh, let's get this out of here. Oh man. There we go. Again, we want all the technology from this truck. This plugged into the seat, this plugs into the harness. You know, every time I come over here, I go to think that I'm gonna use a magnetic tray for all my bolts, and I don't. I don't use one. I probably need to. I really want to get this thing out. There we go. And I did do a little maintenance on the other truck I have, the Toyota Tundra. Alright. I did do a little bit of maintenance on there. I needed a secondary air injection valve. And I just did that, and I was gonna record it, but I was too in a rush. I had work the next day, so I didn't want to do that. But in the process, I've been noticing my AC kind of dying down, and I'm thinking either the cabin air filter needs to just be replaced, and if that's the case, I'm gonna do that when I get home. And then I have a pressure switch on the truck right there. Okay, right here, just rip that off. So what's it connected to? None of these ever want to come off, so I just kind of ripped the tape off. I ain't really worried about how do I put it? I guess like I'm not worried about keeping everything OEM in here. Mine, oh. It'd be nice if they just came out as a whole. But I think I'd be asking for way too much. Come on. There we go. That harness is almost out. I'm starting to think I need to get under this. So maybe I'll clean some of this out off camera, because I don't want that to bore any of you guys. But I'll probably clean it out just so I can start. Oh, what the hell is this? Probably goes right here, doesn't it? No, it doesn't go right there. Oops. And before, I know this wire, I believe, was to some subwoofers in the back, if I remember correctly. It's like stuck. Trying to get this stupid like plastic off. Man, that'd be wow, this is really the nose set right here. I'll probably take this home. Most of the parts are in that truck. I'll probably take stuff like this home because they're electronics and I don't want them to possibly get in the rain or anything. I know this is probably the most boring part of these videos is the wiring, because oh my gosh, there's just so much. Like, I don't even know what to tell you guys. Like, I really don't, because like I gotta admit, this is even boring for me, so don't think I'm enjoying life over here. I think this plugged into this box as well. No? Where the hell did this one go? Obviously a screw in one somewhere. There's a screw right here. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, they go together. I was about to say, I was like, dang, no way, I already lost what I was doing. I gotta admit, there's some things I really don't know what they are. No idea. All right. Put that behind that with this. I think this is what held the fuse box. I need my flashlight. So back there's a wire that runs into the firewall. I don't know if you can really see it, but if you follow that, it comes out right there and goes into this box, the electrical box. So I'm gonna see if I can, I guess, get the wiring out. It needs to come out either this way or that way, whatever, but I need to get it out. All right, guys, so in the clip I just showed y'all, we have to worry about the wiring on the outside, so we are going to get those right there. Also, guys, these rims are the ones that came with the truck. I don't know, I'm kind of digging them, so there's a chance I stay with them. Let me get this off. Oh, these are from a different truck. These are from a Ram, but those are from a Ram. That GMC rim, there is one missing. Yeah, I don't know the goal for it. I don't know if I want to keep the original rims or switch them out. Gotta be a 14. So let me know. I don't know if y'all even make it this far in the video, but let me know if I should keep the original rims or all right. Put that there. I don't like spider webs. Yeah. Here we go. So all we're trying to do is get any wire from this out. That's all we're doing. And we're not rewiring nothing, but we have to, I don't even know how I'm gonna get it through there, but take pictures again. Ow, I hate this stupid hood. Do they like know it's weak or something? They want to like put a pin through it? Oh my god. Well, apparently it's not weak. There we go. So the pin will just like boop. Ow. Let's see. There's that. Okay. No! So where does this wire go? Well, now I'm confused. Let's get some water. So now I need to learn where that wire goes, because that's what's gonna stop me from getting anything out. Very curious. There's a bolt here. I'm gonna try to follow it with my hand. It's not. Fuck, that's hot. I just don't think it goes. What is this? Where do you go? Oh. You know, now that I'm really looking at this truck, it's a good thing I have to reuse the harness, because sorry, I'm not going to sit here and do all that. Is that going into here to the motor? Some more water. It's hot. Whoever designed this, I don't know why. Oops. Oh. All right, everybody, what's going on? So as of now, we're looking at some crazy stuff. So I've been debating on reusing the harness, and then I looked over here and I think I only have one option. I think I can only reuse that harness because I'm not gonna rewire that. So here's where we're at. We just got the freaking, I don't know what it's called, I guess the windshield wiper thing. So we got all of this wiring, all of it if it comes out. We got it all. Trying to so that's where we're at. We got all these wires to somehow get out. All right, guys, so here we go. We're just gonna continue just trying to get this black plastic thing off. I don't really know what it's, cable guide or something. Man, they really want this shit in there. I think zip ties were enough. Let's put it on the part slash good parts truck. So I guess the only way to get this bolt off is to get this stupid parking brake off. So I guess that's what we're gonna try to accomplish today, I guess. My goal at the end of the day is to have this whole wiring harness off. So Where's the stupid ratchet? How does this thing come off? This one goes right above the brakes. In case anyone's wondering, this is a Chevy or GMC wiring harness, in case you were wondering. I'll show you a better in-depth hold up. So after God knows how long this fight has been, this whole video, that's what this whole video is about. Nobody's coming. Here it is. This is the entire harness in its entirety. Before it goes back in, it's probably going to get retaped, redone. I will not be cutting any wires. These will stay all how they are. But I don't even want to begin to think the rest of it. But it's ridiculous, guys. All this because they cut the harness in the white truck. So here's this truck. We got the complete harness. Some of these go into the fuse boxes, plug into AC components. Literally down to, where the hell's that light bulb at? There's a light bulb right here, literally down to a damn light bulb. After a very long and dirty fight, we got almost all of these components out. That one goes on the passenger side. There's no wires whatsoever in here except for these, which I might have to transfer over. And then there's some little miscellaneous wires like these. These go on the passenger side, I believe. And then in here we have no wires from here into the inside. We only have this wire, which I can pull, but I believe it's just the amp wire. And if it's not, then I need to know why it was cut to begin with. So we'll see how that goes. I guess whenever I try to start up the truck, it would not work. But all right, guys, so that's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you for watching and coming along on this journey. We are so close to getting this cab and this cab switched over. We are almost there, not quite, but we're almost there. I'm using this as a reference to see when I pull it, what needs to come off. Apparently the harness needed to come off so they can just rip out the engine when they did it. But that's exactly why we saved this entire harness. We didn't cut a thing. We didn't cut nothing. The whole goal was to save this harness. So, well, we saved it. So now we're just gonna worry about the rest of the interior. All right, guys, and I should see you all next week on Wednesday when I upload a new video. And hopefully we make a lot more progress than we did today. The next step is trying to get that door panel apart so I can get the parts. But stay tuned for next video, and let's keep this truck build going. Peace.